So sometimes we think networking has to be this long and arduous process, but it actually can be pretty simple. So today I am going to give you 5 ways to network on LinkedIn. All can be done in under 5 minutes, some in 10 seconds. So I am Cassandra, and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips to gain career confidence. Let's get started. So number 1, on LinkedIn, you can send happy birthday and congratulation greetings. It will notify you under your little notifications who's having a birthday that day. And just click on it and it'll auto-populate happy birthday. Okay, go the extra, 8 seconds and add their name and maybe say, hope it's a great one. That's it, and then hit send. Same with the congratulations. It'll just say, congratulations on the new job. You can add something saying, tell me, in a month, I'd love to hear how it's been going, or I'd love to hear how it goes. Something like that. But it can take literally 10 seconds to send those, and you're making another touch point. This counts as networking. This is building a relationship. So send those greetings. Now, for something you can do in 30 seconds, you can ask someone to connect. So find somebody who works at a company you want to work at, in a department you'd love to work in, and reach out. Hit the connect button, but be sure to add a note letting them know why you want to connect and what you have in common, and then just hit connect. Making new connections is a major part of networking, so make sure to try and make a new connection every day. 30 seconds. That's it. Oh, this is also a good time to let you know you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Leave me a note saying that you watch these YouTube videos so I know to accept that request. And to get my profile link, it's in the description box below. Okay, third thing you can do, you can comment on somebody's post. So scroll your LinkedIn feed and read somebody's post and then leave a comment. Maybe they asked a question. Give an answer to that question, or maybe you thought what they said was great. Tell them it was great and which part of the post meant the most to you, or read the article they posted. This can take 1 to 2 minutes and can make an even deeper impression than just hitting that little like button. So for the 4th tip, you can do the reverse of 3 and create your own post. Talk about something going on in your professional world. Maybe it's how you're staying productive that day or announcing a big project you're working on, but ask a question with it and tag some people you think would like to answer it. You just do the @ sign and then start writing their name and a drop down will come up. You can tag them so they get notified of the post, and then they'll start leaving comments, right? So ask a question and tag some people. What do you think about what you've just written? They'll start writing, and then you can reply back and forth and really start building a conversation. Also, don't forget to add hashtags on those posts because LinkedIn is now using hashtags. You can follow hashtags and people will discover your content that way as well. Okay, tip number 5, and it appropriately takes about 5 minutes. So you can send InMail to someone, send them a message. Now, I'm not saying, not technically InMail. InMail costs money, but send a message to a contact. Someone that maybe you haven't reached out to for a while, but send them a message instead of commenting on their post. So the messages section looks just like Facebook Messenger. You can open that up and ask them how they're doing. Ask them if there's anything they need help with. You thought of them today and you just wanted to reach out and say hi and see if there was anything you could do to help them out, or what are you, at least I would love to know what you're working on at the moment, what your big project is for the season or the quarter. That's a great way to go the extra mile because not everybody is getting mail on LinkedIn that's not spammy. And so to be someone who's genuinely reaching out just because you want to hear from that person, that's going to go really far. And it took you 5 minutes tops. So with all these great networking tools that you're now going to start using, people will start coming to your profile and you want to make sure it's in good shape. So to do that, you need to make sure it's all-star level, and I have a checklist for you. It's free. You can get it in the description box below. It is my LinkedIn all-star profile checklist. Grab that and start working on your profile so that you make a great impression when people come to check you out. With that, we are done for today. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 tips you are going to use first, and I would love to chat with you down there and on LinkedIn. With that, I will see you in the next one. Bye.